Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Adil Shahid. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily. Let's start from a little story. Once there was a couple. A beautiful man married with a young beautiful girl. But with the passage of time, they both live happily. They both enjoy their life happily. But suddenly there a panic disease attack on her wife, a little beautiful young girl. With the passage of time, the whole body of the beautiful girl is suffering from a disease. This disease is a different disease, that her whole body is suffering from a disease, and the different kinds of injuries, little injuries, or take place on her whole of the body. And soon she turned into from beautiful to ugliness. But her husband did not deny any of her request, and also loved her happily, and also loved her too much without any kind of resistance, without any kind of denied. But there was life, he is alive. But with the passage of time, one day the husband gone out of the town into his car, and suddenly he got an accident. And after the suffering from an accident, he lost his both eyes. So when he returned back to his home, her wife sees that her husband lost both of his eyes, and this is surprise for her, and also as worried for her, because a worried is that he cannot see her in the whole life, and the surprise is that how much she is ugliness and how much she is not beautiful with the suffering from because of the suffering of disease. But she also without any kind of conditions, he love her without her watching. But with the passage of time, one day her wife is gone dead, and the husband are just fulfill all of his final rights, and after that he just decide that he lived no more in this home and leave this town forever. But when he just leave his home, a person behind of him called him that how could you walk? Because of your wife you can easily walk, because you don't have eyes, you are blind from both of your eyes. And he says that I am not blind, I am just pretending to be blind, because my wife is suffering from a little kind of disease, a little dangerous disease that affect whole of its body and turn into an ugliness, and because of that I just pretend to be an blind, and I am not blind for the whole of my life. And here point is that he says that if I just show that I can see easily with my eyes, she also lost his hope, and maybe she also lost his life. And he just think that how much I am ugly, and my husband, how he can live with me with that kind of disease and with that kind of ugliness. So that's why I just pretend to be that I cannot see her, and I just pretend to be that she could live easily with me, as I cannot see her clearly. So next is that how much our relationship is in danger, but as to be pretend to be a forgiveness, the sincerity, the love to each other is the major thing. And if you have courage, and if you have courage to be desired, to be a tolerance in a relationship, to be a love in a relationship, to be a sacrifice in a relationship, to be a pretend, act as if in a relationship, then you can easily achieve all of your love, achieve your partner, achieve your family. But if you are just behaving and act like and just a little guilty of your other partner, and you also notice all of their problems everywhere in their lives, and in the every kind of acts of your own husband or of your own wife, then it must be that you have lost her or him. So here we can say that our tongue and our teeth both live in the same mouth. But what kind of sacrifice, or what kind of pretend, or what kind of act of forgiveness, that no much how much of time the teeth are just ruined, the tongue how many times, but they yet both live in the same mouth. This is the act of forgiveness. On the other way, our both eyes cannot see each other, but they both act and blind same. They both weeping and shedding their tears in the same. That is the act of living together. That is the major thing. Never judge a book by its own pages. Never judge a person from his shoes, from his clothes. Just wait for her talk, wait for him talk, wait to be in a relationship, wait to be pretend, try to be forgiveness, try to be in a relationship, and try to be love to each other, try to be tolerance to your relationship. Every relationship, every family, every wife, every children, every sons, every daughter, if they have courage to tolerate their whole partner, their whole family, their whole society, their whole home, then they must easily achieve all what they want, and then they would be easily live their life, and it will be happily in their life. Thank you for your listening.